To add a karaoke effect to a song, I first upload the song. Then I go to subtitles and ask the AI to auto-generate my subtitles. You can choose the language here. This is what the regular subtitles look like.
My love for you has brought me out of me. Hey! Hey!
I then go to Styles and change the style of my subtitles in this drop-down menu. We have two karaoke styles. The outline karaoke style,
My love for you has brought me out of me.
where you can change the background color like this.
My love for you has brought me out of me.
And the regular karaoke style.
My love
Once you've added your karaoke effect, you just click on export and you now have your karaoke effect video.